Meet two AI platforms redefining creativity: Leonardo AI and PlayHT. Two big names, but which one really delivers? On the left, Leonardo AI, fueling a revolution in digital art and visual design. On the right, PlayHT, the powerhouse behind ultra-realistic AI voice generation. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real capabilities. We'll award points across each major category, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you, especially in 2025.
All right, quick overview. Here's the mind map of how we're comparing these two. We've got core functionality, pricing, languages and accessibility, output quality, integrations and API, and, of course, ease of use. Ready? Let's roll through each category. So let's kick things off with core functionality. Leonardo AI is honestly a powerhouse for visual creativity. It can generate images, textures, even some basic 3D art. There's a community feel, you can tweak models, swap around settings. It's honestly like Photoshop met in AI lab. But, bit of a catch, it's all about visuals. No native audio stuff, no text-to-speech. Yeah, you better have good prompts too. Now, PlayHT is all about sound, like really good sound. We're talking over 900 voices, more than 140 languages, and features for pros. API access, SSML, browser extensions, but it's audio only. So if you wanted to make some wild artwork, kinda out of luck. Both are incredibly specialized, so for core features, it's a tie.
Okay, on to pricing. Leonardo AI,
You can get started for free with some limits, which is nice. Their paid plans start at $9 a month, then go up fast if you need more volume. Like, pro plans can be pretty pricey. Plus, you might need the API plan just to unlock the full platform. PlayHT has a free tier too, but that entry paid plan is $39 per month. Still, for what you get, it's actually kind of a bargain considering the number of voices and languages. Some features are locked behind premium though, and as you scale up, costs do tick higher. But for pure value, PlayHT takes this one. Time for languages and accessibility, and there's a clear difference. Leonardo AI is awesome for anyone who wants to make images. You don't have to be a pro, but right now, it's mostly in English. No support for generating art using other languages, so that's a bit meh. PlayHT though, this thing is a global champion. 142 languages and accents, so you can basically make audio content for any audience. Seriously, accessibility is off the charts. Some rare accents are pro only, but still, PlayHT easily wins here. Oh, and here's something cool that you probably didn't know. PlayHT voices are popping up everywhere. Podcasts, YouTube, even entire audiobooks, all powered by AI. That's kind of wild, right? All right. Let's look at output quality. Leonardo AI, honestly, this is where it's just stellar. If you need high-quality, unique images, it delivers. People use it for professional gigs, portfolio work, templates, the whole deal. You do need to finesse your prompts sometimes, kind of like manual gear shifting, but overall, awesome stuff. Now, PlayHT's voice outputs, they're super realistic. Like, the kind where you start doubting it's actually AI. Voices have natural flow, expressive tone, all that. Occasionally, some languages or accents sound a tad robotic, but for everyday English and big world languages, it's really impressive. Voice cloning isn't as deep custom as some big enterprise players, but still, quality is top-notch. No contest, Leonardo AI wins this one.
next up, integrations and API. Leonardo AI lets you hook into creative workflows using their API. So if you're building tools or want to automate designs, that's a win. It does focus more on image contexts though, so you may need custom dev just to make things work together. And it's not exactly plug and play for everything. PlayHT? Their API is all about TTS, turn any text into voice with a few lines of code. It's got browser extensions, easy embedding, and supports SSML if you want more expressive output. There are some limits if you're going high volume, but it's pretty smooth for everyday use. Both are strong here, so let's call it a tie.
Last category, ease of use. Leonardo AI has a slick, modern UI. Seriously, you feel like you're in a creator's playground. Templates make it easy to start, but if you want those super advanced features, there is a learning curve. Not gonna lie. PlayHT, on the other hand, is basically
Click and go. It's built for anyone. Teachers, marketers, beginners, you name it. Instant text-to-speech is actually super satisfying, even if you're just messing around. Customization on lower plans is a bit limited, sure, but everyday users will have no issues. For overall usability, PlayHT comes out ahead.
If you're more of a visual person, I've laid out both competitors on a radar chart, so you can just glance and see where Leonardo AI and PlayHT shine and where they lag.
Here's my personal take.
If you live and breathe design, or you want mind-blowing visual assets, Leonardo AI is the obvious pick. But if you want your words spoken in almost any accent, need snappy voiceovers, or are building global content, PlayHT is honestly the top choice in 2025. Both do what they do insanely well, but they're for totally different creators. If you liked this face-off, make sure to follow for future AI battles. You'll never miss the latest innovations. And hey, if you want to see any specific matchup, drop your picks in the comments.